Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? If you're interested to see my progress of my 10K in 100 days challenge, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you an update of my progress with my 10K in 100 days challenge. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So I wrote myself some notes up here. So today is day 49. We at the halfway mark of the challenge, so I hope you guys are doing good with whatever savings challenge you're embarking on. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase these notes I wrote to myself. That 39 circles lets me know I have 39 envelopes stuffed, and day 42, so that lets me know I'm 3 envelopes behind. So yeah, so if this is day 49, that means we at the halfway mark, so we halfway there. So that means I need to have 49 envelopes stuffed. Because remember, I was 3 envelopes behind because I only had 39 on day 42. So today I need to at least stuff 10. But guess what, guys? I'm going to be able to stuff 12. Yay! So let's go ahead and get into it. So I did something a little I cheated a little bit this week. I'll go ahead and admit it, but it's really not cheating because all the money belongs to me. So I didn't really make any extra money this week. I did not have any money to take from our savings. From our buffer, nor did I have any money to take from our paycheck because if you didn't know, my husband worked in the automotive industry, and cars aren't really selling like they were, so he didn't work a lot this week. So that's that. So even though things happen in life, you still have to keep moving. You just find other ways to meet your goals, and that's what I'm doing in this video, and that's what I'll be showing you in this video. There are other ways. There are all kind of ways to save money. So what I did was, instead of just coming on here and saying that I didn't save any money this week, knowing that I'm already 3 envelopes behind and not stuff anything, I decided to pull 1K out of my own personal savings for this challenge. So yeah, so money is money. All the money is mine, so I can pull it out if I want to, but I'm doing this to show you that there are all kind of ways to meet your goal. But what I will do, if at the end of the goal I do not need that 1K, I will put it back in my regular savings because I do expect some bonuses and some extra money to come. But in the meanwhile, I pulled out 1K. So for this week, we're going to say we save 1K. Yay! So that's going to make the total. I'll put it on the screen. So let's go ahead and start marking these envelopes, because we have a lot of envelopes to mark. So we don't have a week where we can't stuff anything. And I do realize that a lot of people may not have, extra money just sitting around. Actually, that's not extra money. That was money for like emergency for just me. But I decided to move it. So let me fix this camera now. So we're going to be marking off actually a total of 12 envelopes. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to get my calculator out. So we're going to start with 1K. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple of these, 3 of these large envelopes down here. Zoom in a little bit so you can see. Okay. Envelope number 87 is 174, so I'm going to subtract 174. Envelope number 86 is 172. Envelope number 85 is 170. Then that's it for the large ones. We're going to go up here and get some of these smaller ones just so we can get a 12 envelopes stuffed. Envelope number 22 is $44. Envelope number 23 is $46. Envelope number 24 is $48. Envelope number 25 is $50. Envelope number 26 is $52. Envelope number 27 is $54. Envelope number 28 is $56. Envelope number 29 is $58. And the last one, we have $76 left. I'm going to go ahead and go over here to envelope number 38, which is $76. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and count it up. We should have the minimal 49 envelopes since this is day number 49, but I think we're going to have 51. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Yay! So we have 51 envelopes. So we're 2 envelopes ahead. And so, yeah. So that's my update. I finally cleaned out my storage building and have some things to I donated some things, trashed some things, and I have some things to sell. And guess what? I finally made it to the storage building and still hadn't posted the item. So I'm kind of busy this week. I'm transitioning in my career as a respiratory therapist, and I'll talk to you about that later. And this week was my daughter's wedding, and I got some other stuff going on in life. So really, my YouTube channel was put on the back burner. So that's why really I didn't have any money to stuff other than the money I took out of my savings. But anyway, so like Rochelle Adams always say, life be life. And so we gonna keep it moving, whether we saving or not saving, we still gonna keep it moving. We're gonna keep the discipline. We're gonna keep the motivation. And we just gonna keep striving to meet our goals. So that's gonna conclude this video. Actually, it's not gonna conclude this video because I have 4K now. I get to highlight my savings jar. So let me do that. This is relaxing. So 4K would be 40%. So I'm going to go up here to the 40% mark, and we're going to color that in. Oh, I got a little, well, I'll leave that little mark there because we will get to that line at some point. But right now we're going to do this. So this is rewarding to me to be able to mark this, even though I just moved money from one savings account to another. But I mean, I'm still saving it. It's still my money. So however you want to do it is your business, because remember, this is personal finance. But I anticipate being able to put that money back. I just did that to kind of keep some traction. Yeah. So yeah, so we did make some progress. So as I was saying earlier, this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.